Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to design a stunning one-page website, all the way from Figma to a real live site, and we're doing it the smart way by making the most of some incredible templates and tools. Whether you're building your very first website or looking to speed up your workflow, by the end of this video, you'll know how to create a polished, professional one-page website much faster than starting from scratch, and you'll learn a few pro tips to make it uniquely yours. So let's dive right in. Alright, to begin with, let's talk about saving time. Creating a website from a completely blank page can be exciting, but it can also be kind of overwhelming, and honestly, it's just not always necessary. That's where templates and smart design tools come in. Think of them as your creative jumpstart. You're still the artist, but you're not carving your brush out of wood. And don't worry, even though we're starting with a template, you'll end up with something that's truly your own. So first up, head over to whichever platform or design tools repository you're using. In this case, Figma has an incredible array of resources. Go to the Templates section and type in one-page website in the search bar. Give it a second, sometimes there are tons of results, which is awesome. This step is like browsing through a gallery until you find the perfect canvas. Sift through those options and look for a design that resonates with your brand, your project, or just something that feels right for the vibe you're going for. Take your time here, this is the foundation for everything that comes next. Once you've found a template you love, open it up in Figma. Now this is where the fun really begins. With the template open, you're not just stuck with what you see, you can truly make it your own. Maybe you want to change up the color scheme to match your brand, swap out placeholder images for your own visuals, or tweak the layout to better serve the content you plan to showcase. Figma makes all these edits feel really intuitive. For example, you can simply click on text elements to update headlines and descriptions, drag images in to replace defaults, and move sections around by selecting and dragging layers. If you've never customized a template before, don't stress. This step is really about trying things out and seeing what clicks. Remember, this is your site, so mix things up until it feels right. And here's a tip. If you want to get even more personal, you can copy elements from the template and paste them directly into your own Figma workspace or document. This is great if you want to merge pieces from different templates or just want a totally unique layout. Think of it like cutting out your favorite magazine clippings and assembling them into your own custom collage. Don't worry if it looks a bit weird at first. Sometimes getting things just right takes a couple extra tweaks. Once everything looks just how you want it, you're just about done. You now have a fantastic, ready-to-go one-page website design, personalized and shaped by you, and it took a fraction of the time it would to build from scratch. That's the power of combining smart tools with your own creative touch. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want to share your own tips, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another step-by-step guide like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.